Hello everyone, hey, this is Doug Kanaki with Drawers and Motions. Hey, I wanted to show you the update on the undermount pull-out drawer unit. As you can see, I've got it mounted below a cabinet, so it gives you a better perspective of how this works. And this is the right height off the floor, so it's about 53-54 inches. So you also want to be able to do staggered heights. You can bump this up 6 inches and keep it in line with the rest of the cabinets that are in the run. But hey, I wanted to show you how it works. So this has got a catch mechanism on this side, so you just want to push in on it, and it's on a gas shock, so it automatically raises it up into place. And then you can see the handle here, so basically what you want to do is just pull on it, and as you pull on it, it's going to force itself down. So you can see how it went through that motion. But what I wanted to show you now is how these drawers move both ways, so that you can have access to all three drawers at the same time. But the neat feature about this is these drawers are removable, so you can carry them right into your workspace. They've got handles on them here, so it makes it easy to get a hold of them, put them back into place. So it's a pretty unique way of keeping track of things, getting organized, so that when you put things back, you know where they're at. So that's something I have an issue with. But you can see how that kind of went right back up into place. So it's kind of neat how it does that. But so you can